Díomh maidin gach duine chun sa táisih tá súlagamm go bhfuil sibh go maith maidin. Well, tá mé ag fécinnt amach an inneog inis agus céin sort aimsire atá ann inniu. So fan go bhfeici mé amach an inneog. Wait till I look out the window. Níl sé churbáistí, tá sé tirim, tá sé an scamalach, tá sé gwaifar, tá an gwaí ag séadú, agus tá sé an úr, an úr. So tá gach duine ag caithfh cóta, agus hata, scarf, lámhíní, chuile rud mar sin. Okay, so we'll have a quick look through some stuff we've already looked at in our last lesson, and we're moving on to a few new things again today, guys. We're going to be looking at temperature, okay? Teocht. So let's have a look here. On Aimsir, the weather. On Aimsir. So on picture seo. So faker on picture seo. So I'll give you a few moments here to perhaps describe the weather you see in this picture, okay? Déan Celcius an Aimsir. To describe the weather. Déan Celcius an Aimsir. So Lanraig. Okay, so tá an grian ag tanmh. Tá sé grianmhar. Tá cúpla scamal sa spéir, but níl sé scamalach. Agus fécinn sé te. Fécinn sé te. It looks quite hot. Okay, so lá jazz atá ann. Okay, tá an grian ag tanmh. Agus níl sé scamalach. So, scamal. Tá sé scamalach. Well done. Stirrum. Storm. Stirrum. Tá sé stirramiúil. Cio. Tá sé ciomhar. Siuc. Tá siuc an talamh. And remember, we would hear Mr. Kelleher say that regularly on days we couldn't go outside. Níl muid ag dul amach mar tá siuc an talamh. It's frost on the ground. Siuc. So repeat after me. Siuc. Tá siuc an talamh. Lack ire. Lack ire. Ice. Tá sé róite. Tá sé means it is. Tá sé róite. So repeat after me. Tá sé róite. I wonder, do you know what that means? I'll give you a few seconds to throw it a guess. Tá sé róite. You ever heard that word before? Róite. It means it is frozen. Okay? And we know uachtar róite. We all love uachtar róite. What's uachtar róite? Ice cream. And uachtar is cream. Róite. Ice, so frozen. Frozen cream, ice cream. Tá sé róite. That's in your house. Your freezer is your róiteoir. Róiteoir. Okay? So tá sé róite. So tá mé cathbh mo chóta mar tá sé róite. Tornach. Chúla mé tornach. heard. Chula me tornach. Thunder. Chula me tornach. Tintrach. Chunnik me tintrach. I saw lightning. Chunnik me tintrach. Okay, I asked you the other day, which comes first? Okay, nuair tá sé storamúil agus nuair a bhíonn tornach agus tintrach ann, cad a hagan dús, which comes first? Of course, it's lightning. Okay, lightning we see first, and it is then followed by thunder. Okay, so if it's thunder and lightning, you might see a flash of lightning, and then a few seconds later, depending on how far away it is, you'll hear the thunder. We all know that's because light is faster than sound, speed of light and speed of sound. So we see the lightning first. Chunnik me tintrach. There's kind of a rule of thumb that for every second between the lightning and the thunder is a mile. Okay, so if you see lightning and 5 seconds later you hear thunder, that's a kind of a rule of thumb. People believe that means it's about, the lightning is striking about 5 miles away. Anyway, chunnik me tintrach. Going off topic as I tend to do. Fluch. Wet. Fluch. Tá sé a cur báistí. I can't even remember what this is called. Ska farnia or ska báistí. Okay? Bawa báistí. Repeat that after me. Bawa báistí. Tá bawa báistí sa spéir. Sneachta. Tá sé a cur sneachta. Calóg sneachta. Tá calóga sneachta ag titim. Calóga. Okay, snowflake. So we're having calóga for your breakfast, cornflakes. Tá calóga sneachta ag titim. An rian. Tá an rian ag tanmh. Gui. Tá sé guífar. Okay, ma shiv. So as I said, we're going to have a look at one more thing. Okay, that's slightly new, and that is the temperature. Okay, and we know that temperature is measured in what? Give you a second there to have a guess. Okay, it's measured in Celsius. Celsius. Okay, it can be measured as well in what's known as Fahrenheit, but we don't really measure things in Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. We measure temperature, so heat and cold, in Celsius. 0 degrees being the temperature at which water will begin to freeze, and 100 degrees being the temperature at which water will begin to boil. Okay, and that's how we measure temperature. Okay, so Celsius. So hain. So ein chéim amháin Celsius. Okay. So repeat after me. Ein chéim amháin Celsius. Dhá chéim Celsius. Trí chéim Celsius. Trí chéim Celsius. See if you can say the next one before I get the page up. Mashiv. Ceithre chéim Celsius. Ceithre chéim Celsius. Cúig chéim Celsius. Sé chéim Celsius. Seacht game Celsius. And then we have 8 game Celsius, 9 game Celsius, same as this, agus 10 game Celsius. So go through them again, nice and quick. Ein chéim amháin Celsius. Dhá chéim Celsius. Trí chéim Celsius. Ceithre chéim Celsius. Cúig chéim Celsius. Sé chéim Celsius agus seacht game Celsius. Okay, so you can add that into your daily weather diary if you're doing that. Okay, so in the mornings you might have a look out the window. Tá sé scamalach, tá sé guífer, tá sé curbáistí agus tá sé 2 chéim Celsius, which would be really, really great. Okay, and remember, you can always vocaroo me a voice note of your attempt. Okay, which would be great. Remember, it's vocaroo. Okay, .com or .. I think it's .com. Just search that. Okay. Right. Mashiv. Slán go bó.